Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. This lesson is about possessive pronouns. You already know possessive adjectives. We use them in front of a noun, and they show who or what belongs to someone or something. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, or their. And these are some examples like, that's my book. Is that your pen? And there are some more examples following. And you can see the possessive adjective is in front of the noun, and it shows who the noun belongs to. Now, the possessive pronouns are used when there is no noun. The best example is you already used the noun in the sentence before, or somebody asked a question about something and you don't want to use the noun again. And then you can replace the possessive adjective and the noun with a possessive pronoun. So here are the examples from before again, and when you start with that's my book, then you can replace it by that's mine. Is that your pen? You can replace it with is that yours? His dog becomes his, her apple is hers, its toy is its, and they are your clothes, it becomes they are yours. This is our garden, this is ours, and their house is theirs when you only use a possessive pronoun. So this is what possessive pronouns are about. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.